Hi, Cindy here. So it's nail day again. Thanks for watching my channel. Anyway, so I got a nail kit. This was a gift from my son and his girlfriend for Mother's Day. And it came in the mail maybe Sunday. And so we're going to try some of the things out. Okay, let's see what's in here. So we've got some of these little foil thingies. I don't know, y'all can leave in the comments. Do you just kind of tear these off and use them as decorations? I don't think we're going to use these today because, one, I don't have any idea. We don't want to experiment when we don't know what we're doing. We make enough mess-ups. And then, two, we got some little dotting tools. I remember back in the day, about 20 years ago, back before we had gel kits and poly gel and stuff, I remember going to like the hobby stores and buying me some of these. I've got some of these, so that'll be another set for me to have for whatever. Okay. Then we've got some brush set. I bought myself a brush set a while back. I think this might have more brushes in it. We don't have to, this is the one I bought. I don't know if it's the same number of things or not, but these will definitely come in handy, especially these little thin ones. And there might be a little ombre brush in here. One of these days we're going to try some ombre with gel or regular polish or something. Okay, and then we've got these things. These are interesting. I've been kind of wanting some of these, but I didn't have any and never really bought any. I'm gonna have to watch some videos and stuff and get some inspiration on what you do with them. They're little striper things that I guess, rather than draw straight lines, you can use this, under gel or acrylic or whatever. So, anyway, I just gonna have to get some ideas on what to do with it. It looks like there's several colors here: purple, green, yellow, gold. So let's put that back. So we won't use that today because I don't really know what to do with it. I'm going to have to practice with that. Then we got some diamonds. You can always use diamonds. We might use some of these diamonds or rhinestones today. Those are pretty. Use my dotting tool to get them off. We might try to use some. I'm kind of lazy. One reason I don't use a lot, but we'll use some of these today. Maybe something that matches, okay? Alright. Then we've got a little tweezer thingy that will come in handy to pick up rhinestones. Now, I don't know if you can pick up rhinestones with it, but you can peel off stickers. And I do have a pair of those. I thought I did, but mine might be wore out. Mine are definitely old. Or I might have broke mine. Mine might have came in bent. I think they did, and I never did actually have any. So we will use these today for sure. Then we've got some clear rhinestones. These are all different sizes. I'm happy about that because if we do, are these different sizes? These are all the same size. But if we try to do some kind of design, it would be nice to have them. And I got rhinestones in my stash. I just, I get lazy. But we're going to use the new ones that were the gifts. Then we got some stickers, it looks like. Now, I could only see through the label a couple of these, so these are going to be a surprise. Okay, we got some flowers. See, I didn't know about these. We got some looks like leaves and flowers and butterflies. And then just butterflies. Some brighter colored butterflies. So we're definitely going to use some stickers today. And then these are pretty. Whichever matches, we'll see. Okay, so that was a pretty nice little present. They know I like nail stuff. So let's get these out of the way. And we will chit-chat. Now, today for our nails, I already started off with I picked out some nails. These are pre-sculpted coffin medium. Since we're just going to wear them to church and then save them for later or whatever. If we hate them, we'll throw them away. We can wear medium or long, but my nails are still in bad shape, so we're just going to do medium. So anyway, my nails are looking okay. You can tell they're growing out. The bottom half where I've stopped using glue and stuff, they look a whole lot better than the top half. So they just take a little while. My estimate is they probably grow about 1/16 of an inch a week. So if I don't damage them or anything, they will do good. So I'm waiting really for this one to kind of get maybe 1/8 of an inch more before we start doing long nails again. But we're going to do medium today. Well, welcome to church. And let me tell you, what did I do last week? I don't have them in here with me. You know, we wore those one set of nails last week and they was very pretty, and I just took them off after church. And then I made me some little short nails, and I still have them because I just used the adhesive, and I wore them, I think maybe Monday, and took them off. And then I made me some little kind of greenish nails out of some cheap nail polish someone had given me. And I wore those one day. And then one day I decided I wanted neon green because, you know, I love green. You know, those green colors. Anyway, those was those Kiss nails. And they was active length. And you know what? I just like the sculpted look. I do not like flat looking nails. That's one reason I don't want to just wear polish. I don't like them flat. I like the sculpted look, you know. See, and now these are medium sculpted. They have medium natural, but even the medium naturals got a little bit of a sculpt to them. So, but I just decided to use sculpted today. So let's go ahead, and I did go ahead and polish them one coat of this polish, just because, you know, we get so many layers of gel, and I just want to keep it down. It makes them a lot thicker and everything. So anyway, so let's see if we can get these tips, although filed down. I should have done that first, and I didn't. You know, we never remember to do that till we get them on our fingers or whatever, which I might be making a mistake touching these. But I painted these a few minutes ago, and there's only one coat. And we're going to cover it anyway. I just wanted a base coat in case some of the foils didn't get covered it. And remember last week we had the holographic foil. I still haven't tried that, and we're not going to try that today because we're going to use our butterfly stickers. And so I wanted some different foils. So we're going to do an ombre. We're going to do some foils that I got from Shein. And in fact, when I bought them, they were called ombre foils. And I did those nails. Did I wear any of those? I think I might have wore one of the sets. And then, you know, I just wore it one day and then scraped the little stickies off and can wear them again. I wore the little purple short sets. Those little Shein nails, the ones that, for me, that work out best is the ones that's super duper short. You know, like, I guess you'd call them extra short, because they don't stick up over my finger because they're so stiff. They don't have any give to them. I would still have to cut them, and they don't feel good or look good after you cut them. And even if you don't cut them, they're so hard. They're hard to type with. So one of these days I might try to put on a medium or longer pair that I got and just wear around, but so far I'm not doing it. So anyway, these are just my Après nails with one base coat, and I just wanted to go ahead and do it and get that dried. So now we're going to use some Ombre Flower. And this color, I thought it turned out a lot darker than I thought it was going to be in the bottle. I guess they are pretty close, but in the bottle, to me, it looks a little bit lighter. Does it to you guys? So I wanted to use some of the pink, but we might end up using some of the blue because of the color I chose for a base color, because of it shows through. So I wanted to use some of the pink. It looks like this one, it's got some peach in it. This one's got some light peach in them. We can use that one. One of those. The real bright pinkies, I don't know. They would show through. This one, it kind of goes from yellow to peach. So that might do it. So let's look at the next set of ombres. Okay. Definitely not blue, although I like blue. So this one, I think this would be closer to just a solid color. It's very pretty, but it's not ombre enough, and we want ombre. Now this one's got some peach to blue and purple. We could do that one. Oh dear. I think that's my phone. I'm not going to get up. Let's see if it's turning us off. Anyway, so I think we're still recording. I'm not going to answer that. And let's keep going. So I'm going to click no, don't answer.